Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watch. I'm the host for South Carolina weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, South Carolina is covered with some isolated showers, especially over here on the east side. The only side that might not be getting some isolated showers is over here near the Augusta, Greenwood, Lawrence, Greenville, Spartanburg area. Those are the areas right now that's not really receiving any rain on this left side, while this right side over here is getting some rain as well, some isolated rain showers. So not everyone's seeing rain on that side, on this side, but it's definitely out there for sure. Let's go ahead and talk about the entire United States. So if we go ahead and zoom out, you can see we have tornado watches down here for a place like Jacksonville, Gainesville, Ocala, down just to the south of Hinesville and Savannah, Georgia. As well, we have a bunch of damage reports. You can see it over here. There goes all those rain and those thunderstorms. Rain and thunderstorms off the coast of Florida. And there goes all that rain from us, for us as well. And you might can see this little area right here. That's going to push into South Carolina later. But pushing all the way to the north, even all of the rain that we get down here are going to move all the way up into North Carolina as well. North Carolina is already seeing their rain. Over here inside of the mid-Atlantic, they're seeing rain, and New England is seeing rain. And then over here, if we go to the Midwest, they're seeing some rain as well. Some strong downpours, all that cannot be ruled out throughout all of these showers and storms on the East Coast. We do have some more rain and downpours up inside the north central plains, and over here inside the Rockies as well. We also do have some rain over here inside of Montana. So let's go ahead and show our cloud cover. So cloud cover right now, obviously with all of these systems over us, the entire state is covered with clouds. No sun is visible at all. Maybe unless you're in one of those clear spots over there near Myrtle Beach and Florence, where maybe if you're in the exact position, maybe, but I don't. It's probably unlikely that you do see sun. Here's our cloud cover map as well, or a tracker. If you went ahead and push it over, you can see that again we're going to be covered with clouds all day. We've been talking about that yesterday and the day before. Not the day before, but yesterday evening and yesterday morning. As you push it forward, again, some clear spots may try to push in going into like the next 10 or so hours. But it's going to be mostly cloudy even throughout the night into tomorrow morning as well. Here's our current temperature: 66 in Columbia, 71 in Charleston, 70 in Savannah, 70 in Myrtle Beach, 68 in Augusta, 61 in Greenville, 62 in Rock Hill, 66 in Florence, 68 in Sumter. Here's our high temperatures for today. High temperatures around 79 in Columbia, 80 in Orangeburg, 79 inside of Charleston, 74 in Myrtle Beach, 72 inside of the Greenville, Spartanburg region, 73 in Anderson, 73 in Rock Hill. Here's our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds can get to around 5 to 9 miles per hour in the inland regions, and if you're on the coast, around a good 10 to 14, maybe even 15 miles an hour at times up on the coast. Pretty much so 10, Hilton Head Island 12, Charleston 14, Myrtle Beach 6, Columbia 7, 6, Greenville, Spartanburg. So a bit of a non-breezy day, but you'll definitely be able to feel the wind though, as we also have those gusts as well, from around a good 10 miles an hour to a good 15 miles an hour, 16, 17 miles an hour in the inland regions, and then gust on the coast can go all the way from around 15 to 21, 22 miles per hour. So if you're on the coast, you'll definitely feel those gusts, but if you're inland, you might not. Here's our forecast of precipitation for the next 24 hours. As you can see, most of the rain is going to be, again, kind of like near the PD region, near Florence, Dillon, near Georgetown, Myrtle Beach, for sure. Around a good 1.5 inches in Myrtle Beach, 1 inch in Charleston, half an inch in Hilton Head and Aiken, half an inch in Columbia, half an inch in Greenville, quarter of an inch in Spartanburg, 1 inch in Rock Hill, 1 inch in Anderson, and then places like Walterboro, where they get around a good half inch. Here's our day one SPC outlook. As you can see, we do have a marginal risk of severe weather going into today. That does come with a 2% chance for tornadoes. There it is, as most of the state now is under a 2% chance of tornadoes. The entire state, again, is pretty much under a 5% chance of damaging hail. And as you go into the wind threat, the entire state is under a wind threat. So the highest threat being wind, then being hail, and then the next threat being tornadoes. Tornadoes can, even though it's a lower percent chance, the entire area of South Carolina, and I think more area wise of South Carolina, is under a tornado threat. But let's go ahead and look at the models and see what they show. So here is the composite reflectivity from the HRRR. Let me put that like that. Here it is. Right here, there goes all those storms moving through the region. And once they push through, there goes all those storms right there around 10 to 11 a.m. Thunderstorms impacting this southern region from Charleston all the way up to Columbia. And then it moves all the way up through. And then we have this next round right here at around 1 to 2 p.m. that goes through the upstate and tries to go through the low country and the PD region again at around 3 to 4 p.m. So it's going to be a big day for storms, and then we have some more storms like this at 11 p.m. that's going to push through and try and move through the low country again. So honestly, off and on thunderstorms throughout the day. We do have a marginal risk of excessive rainfall as well today, so watch out for some minor flooding. And that's all that I have. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic Tuesday. It's going to be a rainy day today. So you may not get too much done if you're doing anything outside. Definitely watch out to get all those loose items that you have outside, bring them inside, and make sure that you bring that umbrella with you. And that's all that I have. So you're having a fantastic Tuesday.